Hey y'all, guess what? We are cooking up some supper tonight. Thank you so much for joining us for supper. We are having sweet Thai chili shrimp rice bowls. Now I've done rice bowls on this channel before, and I don't do them near enough because they are really, really good. And we got a good friend, Richie, who is a master at rice bowls. If you don't believe me, go over there and check out his stuff. He does some amazing stuff. But tonight we're gonna do something super simple. They look great. They taste great, but believe me, it's amazing how simple these things really are. Sweet Thai chili shrimp rice bowls, right here on the Blackstone Griddle. It's what we're going to make for supper tonight. But before we get started, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here with us. We have a great time. Let us know down in the comments that you're new. We'd love to give you a big welcome. Also hit the subscribe button down there and give us a thumbs up. Also ring that bell notification. That way, when we put out new content, you'll know immediately. And you can jump right on it and make this for supper yourself one night. If you've been here, thank you so much for all your support. Man, we're growing, and it really shows, and it's because of all the support, the comments, the likes, the watching, everything you're doing is helping us out tremendously. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we're on TikTok. Better yet, just go down in the description after this video. There's a link tree. Click on that and it takes you to all the great social medias. Our Pinterest, our Facebook, our TikToks, everything's down there. So be sure to go down there and check that out. So let's show you some groceries and let's fire this thing up and let's get to cooking because I'm getting hungry. All right, y'all, let's get this thing fired up. I'm going all 4 burners again and I'm going down to low. Check out the groceries. What we have here is some small shrimp already thawed out, peeled, deveined, everything detailed. Whatever you want to call it, it's ready to cook. We have some rice already pre-cooked, ready to go. We got some broccoli cuts, kind of semi-frozen. They thawed out a little bit, not bad. I have some yellow and red diced bell pepper I'm going to use. And we have some green onion. And y'all, we're going to make it all good and tasty with this Thai chili, sweet chili sauce, or Thai style sweet chili sauce. Good stuff right here, y'all. Oh, we have butter. It's that time. There's some smoke coming off this griddle, so let's get some groceries on the griddle. I'm going to start by throwing down a couple little tabs of butter here. Okay, well, more than a couple. We're going to start by putting the broccoli on and the peppers. Now, the reason I'm not mixing them together, because some people in this household, the reason we call it the Crazy Acres and the Crazy Crew, some want broccoli, some don't. Some want peppers, some don't. Weird, I know. And what I'm wanting to do with this broccoli and these peppers is just soften them up. I don't want to cook them down. I want to get them kind of soft. Now the shrimp really does not take long at all to cook. A couple minutes on each side and it's done. So it's going to take a little longer to get this softened down. But once it's done, it's going to be ready. Once it's done, it's going to be ready. Think about that for a minute. Keep my broccoli stirred. Keep our pepper stirred. Now for this broccoli, I think I'm gonna put it under a dome, kind of help it soften up just a little bit. Kind of help it steam, I guess you say. I'm not gonna add no water to it, I just wanna let it cook in there. All right, let's see if this broccoli softened up any. Oh yeah, she's getting there. Stir our peppers up a little bit. They're starting to get where I want them already. So I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just slide these over here, all the way over to the side. Give our broccoli another little stir here. And dome our broccoli back up. Now, broccoli's almost done. Peppers are exactly where I want them. Let's put this shrimp on here. Now I am gonna throw down 1 tab of butter. Put that shrimp on here. Like so. A lot of good that did, huh? Butter shot out from right up under it. Watch this, I'll put that butter back. Give everything a good stir. You see, that shrimp's already starting to pinken up a little bit. Now we'll let that shrimp cook for just a few minutes. We're gonna stir that broccoli here in a minute. We're gonna flip that shrimp around, add that sauce to it. Won't be long. We're gonna have us a bowl of goodness. All right, let's stir this shrimp up, y'all. Yes, it's getting done already. Let's give it a good flip around here. Let's check our broccoli. Oh yeah, broccoli's where I want it. This broccoli is exactly where I want it. It's not too hard and it ain't mushy. So let's go ahead and take them up. I'm gonna take this broccoli up on a plate right here, y'all. Like so. Being we took the broccoli up, might as well take them peppers up. One of them things are looking good, ain't it? Look at that. Put them over here so we don't mix them up. Can't have them mixed up. All right, let's work on this shrimp. Give it one good stir real quick before we add the good stuff to it. But now let's add the good stuff. How much? I don't know. Use your discretion. If you want to use the whole bottle, I don't care. I have no idea how much I'm going to use. I'm just going to pour some on here. About 3/4 of the bottle, maybe. Let's see where that goes. Ooh, boy, that smells good. 3/4, I don't know. That might have been enough. Might have been too much. You see how soupy it still is, but that's okay. That's okay. We're still gonna let it cook down just a little bit. I've had a few comments, and I've said it before in the past. We need smell-o-vision. Somebody please invent that, because this right here smells amazing. All right, y'all, this is done. So let's take the shrimp up now. Leave all the good gooey sauce on there. It is time to build these rice bowls. This shrimp, believe it or not, I have not even tasted it yet. Keyword yet. I don't even know if I'll put it on a rice bowl or not. That's just good like it is. That's so good. But anyhow, we got to build these rice bowls. And I've been given clear instructions on how to build one of them. So that's what I'm gonna do now. But I want shrimp and broccoli and green onions. So we're gonna put some shrimp right there. Now, the missus loves a lot of shrimp. So can't skimp on the shrimp. Don't skimp on the shrimp. Get another fork here, y'all, for the broccoli. Add some broccoli in there, like so. Ain't too much worried about a lot of broccoli. And some green onions, y'all. A little bit of green onion there. There we go. All right, y'all. There's one rice bowl right there. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna build mine now. Y'all watch this. Throw me some shrimp. I should have got a spoon for this, y'all. Learn from my mistakes. Learn from my mistakes. That's okay. That's all right. Put some shrimp on here. There's a lot of shrimp here. Of course, kids have to eat too. Now, I want a little bit of broccoli. A little bit of broccoli. Broccoli. I want some peppers. Yeah, buddy. This is gonna be the good one. Ain't gonna be like all crazy nanas over there. And some green onion. Now that is a rice bowl right there. I got two of them made up for being crazy nana. Now she's not gonna get on camera. She might holler at you and tell you how it tastes. I don't know. Crazy kids ain't out here, so I don't know how they want theirs fixed. I'm gonna let them come along out here and fix their own here in a minute. But for right now, We got to try these out. Well, Crazy Nana will not get on camera with me, will you?
Nope.
Try it out. Wait on the verdict, y'all. Well, she's smiling. It's pretty good. Okay, is it busting? It's getting there. Okay, I got some work to do. Anyhow, I think they're good. Let me try it out myself. See how it tastes. Mine's busting. She don't have no peppers in hers. That's what's wrong with hers. Y'all see how quick and easy this was? I mean, very simple, quick, easy weeknight meal. Griddle Richie, I'm gonna tell you, if y'all want to see some amazing rice bowls, go over check out Griddle Richie on his Facebook page, on his YouTube channel. Link down below. Awesome stuff. I love rice bowls. Love making them. They're super easy. Kids love them. Now, speaking of kids, and they're bussing. I got a bussing now. She must have got down to a pepper. Who knows? So try these out. Let me know what you do different with yours. And hey, we'll see you next time.